Hello friends, welcome again to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see an interesting topic, how to install MT4 Multi Terminal in our system. Suppose you have multiple accounts with your broker, you cannot use simultaneously all the accounts at the same time in your system. But there is a trick. If you do like that, we can use MT4 any number of accounts in your system simultaneously. Before going to that topic, first of all, we install MT4 in a traditional way and see what are the disadvantages of it, and then we will move on to this trick. Let us assume you have downloaded the executive file from your broker. Let us run that. And click next. Let's wait for a minute. Now you click finish. The default MT4 site will be open. No need for this. Let us close that one. Now we will wait for the pop-up. Yes. Now you want to put the login ID and password. It's a demo account. I copy the login ID. Go back to the terminal. Select demo and then select existing account. I put the login ID. Now I will copy the password. Go back and put the password there and take the save password and then click finish. Yes, the account has been started in the terminal. Now we see trade. It is $501 is the balance. Okay. Now we see, open the data folder and verify the expert advisor indicators are there. Yes, there is expert advisor, and these are the default indicators from MT4. Let's close this terminal. Minimize this one. Let's go back and check where this has installed in our computer. By default it will be in the C. MT4 always installed in C. You see there? Here you cannot see any indicator folder or expected folder. Suppose in case if you cannot able to open this terminal from the shortcut, if something mistake has been done to your shortcut or this terminal, then where can you find this one? It will be stored in users, Dell, application data, roaming, metacodes, and then terminal, and then you see the 16-digit folder. This one is the folder wherever expert advisor and indicators are stored. So keep in mind and remember this point. If anything happens to your terminal that you can't able to open, then you can find the data here. Okay. Let's go to C once again. Go to program files. Go to AutoFX and let's uninstall this one. Okay, delete all personal data, click next and click finish. That's it, gone. The shortcut also gone from the desktop. Next, moving on. If you have multiple accounts with your broker, if you install the multiple accounts in your system in the way we have installed earlier, what will happen? We will check about it and then we will go for the trick. By this method, you cannot use all the accounts simultaneously in your system. Let's assume that you have downloaded the executive files and got the login IDs from your broker. We are going to install all the 3 accounts in the same way as we did earlier. First, we will start with the first account. Let me click finish. Let me close this MT4 site. Now we will copy the login ID. Select demo. Put the login ID. And then put the password. Click finish. You see, the new account is open and the balance is 501. Now I have closed the terminal. Now I am going to install the second account. Click the setup, run that. In the meantime, I will copy the login ID. Click next. Click finish. Okay. The old account itself opened. So what you want to do is go on, select login, and you want to log in with the second account details. Okay, login. Now it shows the second account. You see the balance is 504. That is the problem in this. Let me install the third account also and will explain you clearly what is the problem and how can we get rid of that one. Run the third setup file. Next. Click finish. Close this MT4 site. And then you see the 501, the same account second time opened is showing now. Now once again go to login and put the third account's details. Let me copy the login ID. Let me copy the password. I put the password there. And then login. You see? Now only the third account opened. 3 accounts has been opened. That is not the problem. Main problem is only one shortcut is there. With one shortcut, how can we open all the 3 accounts? How many times you open, the same account will be opening. You see? Second time we tried. This finally what the account is open, that one will be showing. Close that one. Once again go to my computer. Let's go to C and go to program files. And if you see, there is only one Octophorus files. Go to the terminal and check it. Once again open it. This time also it is showing. What happened to the other 2 accounts? This is the problem. We cannot run multiple accounts by this old fashioned method. So certainly in this video I am going to explain you about how to install all the terminals, and even you can use all the terminals simultaneously. Let me install this one. So that only I told this is very important tricks. I close that one and let me go to and check the somewhere else in this. No, nowhere. Go to the users, Dell, application data, roaming, and then metacodes, and then terminal. You see, nothing is there. No files. We will delete all this one. Let's now only we are going to see the real game. Now we come to the important part of this video. That is, you can use any number of accounts and use all the accounts at the same time in your system. The right way to install the MT4 terminal. As I already told, let us assume you have downloaded the executive file and you have all the account details in your hand, login ID and user passwords. Let's take the setup file. Let me open it. Let's run it. I will minimize it. Watch carefully in this step. We have all the three accounts. I checked it. In the settings, there is settings. In the settings, you put the account as account 1. So you are going to check 3 accounts. I am putting account 1, and then click next. Let me click finish. Let me copy the first account's login details. Waiting for the pop-up. Yeah, selected demo. Click next. Put the login ID. Put the password. Click finish. First account has been opened. See, 501 is the balance. Now what to do is close this terminal. Then go to the installation page. You go to the C and find where is the account 1. See where it is. Now there it goes. And there is a terminal. You write in the terminal, right click and rename it as account 1. Then you click that and send to desktop. Now you see we don't need that shortcut, the earlier one created by the system. We will delete it. Now go to this and rename this as account 1. Okay, then right click and go to properties and go to change icon. Let's select some of the icons. You select this one and click OK and click apply and click OK. Now we got the first account. Let me place it in the side. Then once again I go to executive file and run that one, and once again go for this settings. There in the settings you will mention it as account 2. Now once again click next. and then now I am copying this login ID of the second account. Click finish. Close the default site. Wait for the pop-up. When waiting. Once the pop-ups comes, it takes long time. Yes, it's came. Now select demo. Click next. Then put the second ID, login ID, second account login ID, and the second account password. You copy it and paste it there, and then click finish. Now the second account has been opened. Now check the account balance is 504. Now you open the C and check for the program file. There is the second account and there's the terminal. I want to rename the terminal and rename it as account 2. Now I send the account 2 to the desktop. And delete the default shortcut. Now I rename this one as account 2. Click change icon. Now what you select? Any icon you wish. Okay. Apply and OK. Yes, this is our second account. And once again click run. In settings, you can put as account 3 or any name as you want. That is not the problem. You can also put the account number also. Meantime, you will copy the third account details, login ID. Wait for the pop-up. Let me click finish. We'll close this site. We will wait for the pop-up. Logo also we can change any logo. You can also put your image also in the logo. But you want to make it as an ICO file. Take your image and make the ICO file online. You can put your face also in the logo. Yes, put the login ID and put the password. Finish. Now you see the third account has been opened. Yes. Now close this terminal. The same old procedure. Go to C, go to program files, find the third account, open that one, and rename that one to account 3, and send that shortcut to the desktop. Now rename as account 3 and go to properties, change icon. Let me put this icon. I put apply and then OK. Now you got 3 accounts. Let me delete the default shortcut. Refresh it. Let me open the first account. You see the first account has been opened. The $501 is the balance. Let me minimize it. Go to the second account. Open that one. You see the second account is 504. That is open. It's third account. You see all in the taskbar near in the taskbar is So you can see that one. This third account is open and this $1,000. Now we have all the 3 accounts simultaneously running your system. Not only 3 accounts, you can use any number of accounts by this way. One more important thing is, in the next video I am going to tell you a secret that you want to install MT4 only once in your lifetime. After that, whenever you want, in which country you go, in what system you use, there is no need for install the MT4 again. You can use the same indicators, same expectations throughout your lifetime. That is a very interesting secret that I will tell you in the next video. If you like my videos, please support me by giving a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.